everyone, I'm Rhyme Rubayet from Creativity, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to do C programming on your Android phone. So, of course, you need a editor, text editor like code blocks for PC for Windows. And so, at first, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be going over to the Play Store. So go ahead and open it. And then after you've opened it up, you just go here and search compiler. There it is. Yeah. So search compiler. And so as you can see that many compilers show up, or you could also write C programming. But the one that I like to use is Online Compiler Beta, the one at the top. Because this one is way easier, and it also has like 21 other languages which can be used. So yeah, so Online Compiler Beta by the Creative Club, and so as you can see it says compiler and run your programs for C, Java, and other 21 languages. So this one, I found this one really helpful because it has all the codes and stuff already, and brackets. I'm going to show you once a second. See, it has a good ratings, and I like the app as it is very easy. So go ahead and install the app. So okay, so here it is installing, and so if you're a beginner in C programming and you'd like to practice it with your phone, or you don't have a computer, then I definitely recommend you to use Online Compiler, this one. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so you have to allow access. Okay, so as you can see that there are bunch of different languages from C, C++ to Java to Python and whatnot. So this compiler can be used for a lot of things. But the one that I'm going to be showing is C. So let's go ahead and choose C. So as you can see that I already did one. I tried something just to show you. So as you can see that I already have written over here so all the codes are already in, and at the bottom you can see that there are like the arrow sign and the bracket sign, which is really helpful when you're doing programming and stuff. So as you can see that all the stuff are already there, the stuff you write for your codes are, my codes are already there. The %s is the %d, like stuff written under printf. So this is not a tutorial to show you how to do C programming, but rather how you can do it or practice it using your Android phone. So let's go ahead and press the run at the bottom. Yep. And so it says input. No, we're not gonna give any input, just run. Okay, as you can see it's compiling, and there you go. Rhyme is the 9 player, and it's the last part is written in Bengali. Ami taka kamai, etc. Okay, so as you can see this works perfectly fine, and you can also try other programming languages. So the way you do that is that you just go here, and at the bottom it says change language, so you can change the language here very easily, and you can also open a new file or open a previous file using the ones written at the bottom, the tabs. Yep. And so I'm just gonna be showing you just for the sake of showing you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's delete these. Okay, let's just write hello my viewers. Okay, so so let's do this. Yeah, and then give this, and let's close the bracket. Yep. So now that I press run, okay, something went wrong. Okay, so I just wrote hello my viewers, and it's in the bracket, and there needs to be a semicolon at the end. Yeah. Okay, now let's go. Okay, still it failed. Okay, no problem. Alright, so you just go here. Okay, so Okay. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, something was probably wrong. Yeah. Okay, so hello my viewers. So that's basically the tutorial that I showed you, and I hope you enjoy it and find it useful in making your in doing your programming, and this will help you a lot regarding C, C++, or even Python. So there's a bunch, and Java too. And so thank you guys for watching once again. I'm Rhyme Rubayet from Creativity, and please do subscribe. I really need it, and so thank you. And do subscribe and watch more and learn more. Well, we'll be bringing some more stuff, so you're gonna enjoy it, I hope. So thank you guys once again.